Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today's local hiking spotlight is the Dwaas Kill Nature Preserve in Clifton Park. And I've got the whole family with me this time. So we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna walk around some trails, check out some nature. Beautiful spring day, stick around.
Luckily I didn't do it with this leg in front. Gotta stay somewhere.
All right, coming up to Little Orange Trail, there is a loop that goes around. So we're gonna take that and check out what's out this way. The Dwaas Kill Nature Preserve trail's fairly short. I think it's about a mile total in trails. They loop around, parts of it go right next to the water, so that's always my favorite part. But let's check this out and see how it goes.
It's a rock and I broke it.
All right, well, we came out of the Orange Trail and it leads into this section of very sandy trail. Looks like a lot of people have mountain bikes and just have a really good time riding through here. So that's awesome. Nice little added bonus if you're into that. You do pop up right next to the train tracks. So remember, be careful. Don't make poor decisions and stay safe. Trail keeps going that way, so that's the way we're gonna go.
If I could get over here.
There's a branch you can grab up to your right.
I got this little bank down here.
It's a bizarre bark.
Bizarre bark.
Bizarre bark, Kylie? That's great. We made it to a junction. We walked all the way around the sand area. Very cool places to hang out and ride your bike or just walk if you want to. So we could make it back to the main trail if we take that route. We go back the way we came if we go up that way. But I think we're gonna take the green trail and go check out what's down that way. So let's go. Well, we're walking down the green trail and we found a piece of history. I'm not entirely sure how this car got out here. I would be willing to bet a series of bad decisions were made. And that's
The bumper fell off.
that's the end result. That's crazy. We are in the middle of the woods. The green trail brings us right out to the Dwaas Kill, and there's a fun little tree that the kids decided that they were going to adventure on. I'm not going to do that, but they had a good time. Don't fall.
Shut up, Greg. hard part is getting back up.
Right where all the mud is.
Oh my god, he's gonna fall. You're like just not touching. Oh my god.
Oh, he's gonna get wet.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
This is gonna be good.
He's like, or I can climb back the way I came. Oh, his shirt went in the water.
Oh my god.
Do you
We're
want?
getting wet.
Do you want some assistance?
Yeah, I don't know how to get back off.
Look at that green snake right there. That is crazy.
Cute.
There's another
Adorable.
garter snake a little further over that
I
way.
know I see it.
That's awesome.
I want to pick him up, but I know I see
There
it.
we go. Now they
Hey,
moved so you
he
can see.
moved. Look, you can see little paw prints through the mud there. Look like raccoon prints probably. Maybe skunk. There's also some boot prints over there, so I would guess that somebody maybe went fishing right here, but that was kind of neat. We reached the end of the trail going off to the right, so came back where we came into from the green and checking out the way to the left, and this is what we find. We made it back to the junction with the orange and the green and hung out for a little bit. There's a bunch of families on the trails here, so just trying to keep some distance between all of us, make sure we're all safe and having a good time. Plus it gave Kylie a chance to get some snacks in her belly, so it's always a good thing. If you're taking kids on the trails, make sure you pack snacks. It'll reduce the amount of complaining and increase the amount of smiles. Well, we crossed the really nice wood bridge and we got to the junction very close to the parking area, but we're going to actually take the red trail this way off into the woods again.
Go.
Boom. Ooh, switching up.
Not entirely sure what that is. Possibly for bats, maybe? I don't know. That's pretty cool. It is, I don't know, maybe 10 or 11 feet up. Pretty awesome.
You wish I fell?
I want to see you fall.
You are evil.
Oh my god. I'm super skinny.
Oh, there's that.
Nope, nope. You can't go. Nope.
I won't go. Are you having a good time?
Yep.
Yeah? What's been your favorite part so far?
The log.
Yeah, it was pretty awesome. I'm glad you didn't fall in.
Yeah, it would have been refreshing, but yeah.
That's a beautiful feather.
Yeah.
We were walking down the red trail and look what we found. A nice bench. I love when the preserves put these benches in because it's usually in a pretty cool place where you can sit down, rest your feet a little bit, and enjoy some really nice scenery. Check this out. right, so we walked the length of the red trail, and it does bring us out onto the road where the other trailhead is. So you can kind of see we've got a nice little sign here. Our car is down the road that way, so we're gonna figure out if we're gonna walk the trail or if we're gonna walk the road. We'll see what goes on. So the ladies have decided we're going to walk on the side of the road. I'm gonna let a car drive by. It's about 4/10 of a mile, maybe, from that trailhead to where we parked the car. I think the choice to go on the road might be largely due to the fact that ticks are out in full force. Pulled a couple off myself already. We're gonna do a nice big tick check before we get in the car. And those creepy crawly kind of things, I don't think Kylie likes them too much. So we're gonna walk on the road and get to the car. All right, and that ends another local hiking spotlight video. This time we went through the Dwaas Kill Nature Preserve in Clifton Park. I had a really, really good time. What about you?
It was pretty good.
Yeah. The trail is short, and it definitely needs some work, but there's a lot of natural beauty out here, and the Dwaas Kill itself is very pretty. So I highly recommend getting out here and checking it out. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate that. And I really hope that you've enjoyed the local hiking spotlight series that we've been putting out every single week in April. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check out the playlist. I'll link it in the description below. There's a lot of really good videos in there, or you can subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome too. But most importantly,
Get outside and do something awesome.
man, she's awesome. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.